Hello everyone and welcome to this brand new episode on our YouTube channel, Rescoli by Carlo. Today's episode is going to be about these two candlesticks. So it is a bit informative and we will show you also the process from this to a virgin white look. So what happened here? Actually, these candlesticks were gilded, and the gilding can be seen in all the process here. There's a lot of marks and dents where the gilding was, and probably there was also they were stuck with varnish. So the gilding was done with some sort of varnish. But what happened here? The gilding paper, the gold paper, wasn't a proper one. It was an aluminium based gold paper. And by time all the aluminium shed and we only have the base. So instead of being gold now, they look really bad. You can see here where there's the green effect here, it's all where the varnish marked. So what are we going to do with these candlesticks? These candlesticks first need a good clean, a good wash with our sugar soap. Then we are going to remove all the candle drops here. We need to remove them, and there's also this glue under here which we don't know for what reason it was put here. And then we need to give it a very good sanding to remove all these marks here in between these colors. What happens afterwards is that we are going to give it 2 coats of tough top coat from the frenchic furniture paint, so that we seal all the candlesticks before painting. These are going to be painted in white, and obviously we need to make sure that the varnish that's here doesn't come out in due time on the white. So we are sealing it first, then giving it the white paint, then resealing and giving them both a touch of gold. Probably will go just on the edges and also on the design on the legs. So let's get started. We hope you found this episode of interest. So make sure when you gilding, you do the gilding with the proper gilding paper. And try to avoid as much as you can the varnish to do this process, especially if it's not a proper gold paper. I would suggest that you use the finishing coat, also from the frenchic paint, because it is chemical free and it wouldn't tamper with the results. So, until we meet next time, ta-ta! Bidlek wiċċek.
Wiċċi, u tiġbeċċej, ma jmurx iġibni, Antonio.